I'm Brian Joseph, President, CEO, founder of Touchstone Research Laboratory. We have found a way to run our own research laboratory with millions of dollars of laboratory equipment and dozens of people inventing things every day. All of this couldn't have been done without the state of West Virginia. Out in front of our success, the state managed to build basically a technology park out in front of me, step by step. We invent things and we build businesses around it. The first spin-out business is Touchstone Testing Laboratory. We predominantly do aerospace testing. If you ever see a rocket being launched into space, the probability is a lot of that testing was done here. The second business we spun out has to do with a foam that we make from coal. We call this sea foam. It's a lightweight foam, but it's incredibly strong. It's great for absorbing energy, very inexpensive to produce it. And then because we invented this, we invented a way to make the carbon fiber parts that we build airplanes with. We figured out a way to take sea foam, we make molds. We can make very, very sophisticated parts for aircraft. The next one that we tend to spin out will be the world's strongest aluminum. So we start with aluminum, we put fibers in it, we end up with this tape that is itself the strength of a high-strength steel and can be used at 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. We are developing, with help of SBIR, a thermal protection system that will protect both from high temperature and from lightning strikes. And it's going to be made from coal, and I think it'll cover all future rockets. So we have another one. World's strongest aluminum is a fiber-reinforced aluminum. You make a pressure vessel like this, and you can make a solid rocket motor. I think this will be revolutionary in that area. So we have another one I think is just sort of fun for West Virginia. We have big piles of waste coal all over the state from hundreds of years of digging coal, and we can turn that into a high-end graphite. Why West Virginia? Well, the people here are great to work with. The government here is great to work with, but there's another piece. You are always 5 to 10 minutes from nature here. And you can't say that about hardly any other place in the country. So if you've got a tech business, and if you think about what young people want today, they want access to nature. That's the thing we have lots and lots and lots of. So if you've got well-trained people, access to nature, I think it's the best place to do business in the country.